this video, I will teach you how to use AppSheet. AppSheet tutorial for beginners. Now, AppSheet is quite easy to use because it helps you build powerful application and automation that boost your productivity. There is no coding required, so it is quite easy to use for everyone. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to go to the appsheet.com website. And if you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is to click on Get Started button right here and sign up using your Google or Microsoft account. But if you already have an account, all you have to do is to click on Sign In at the top right corner and use your Microsoft or Google account credentials. Now, to use AppSheet, you need a data source, and the easiest way is to use Google Sheets. So you just have to go to Google Sheets and open it and create a simple table. For example, like this one. It has a name, date registered, and email. This can be used as your data source. Now you can go back to AppSheet and you will be met with the dashboard of the website. Now to make a new app, all you have to do is to click on Create button right here and click on App. Then click on Start with Existing Data and click and rename the data or rename the app that you have. You just have to choose the category and choose your data right here. You just have to click on Google Sheets and select the app data source that you have created or the spreadsheet that you have created from the Google Sheets, which is right here. Then click on Select and AppSheet will automatically generate an app for you. This may take a little bit of time, so you just have to wait for it to load. Now once the app is created, it will take you to the editor, which is right here. Here you can edit the views like table and or form from the UX tab, which is right here. Here, you can also click the data tab right here and adjust the columns, type, and validation. You can even rename the app and upload an icon. You can also preview your app so you can test adding a record or it will automatically update your Google Sheet. To make your app live, you just have to go right here again to the left menu and go to the Manage tab right here. You can click on Deploy, and once your app is deployed, you can share the app to others by sending them the link or inviting users by email. That's all there is today. Hope we helped.